The KINESIS USB Freestyle Pro is an ergonomic split mechanical keyboard that offers a unique typing experience. With its adjustable split, splay, and tint features, this keyboard caters to various body types and preferences, ensuring a comfortable and personalized typing posture. The new cable storage compartment adds to its versatility, allowing for up to 20 inches of separation when needed. Equipped with genuine cherry mechanical switches, this keyboard delivers a premium typing experience. The tactile brown switches provide a satisfying typing feedback, offering a balance between precision and comfort. The keyboard's 99 keys, single-color backlighting, and ergonomic design make it an excellent choice for office use, ensuring productivity and reduced strain on your wrists and hands. One of the standout features of this keyboard is its split design. By adjusting the split, you can find the perfect position for your hands, reducing fatigue and promoting a more natural typing posture. The tinting accessories, sold separately, further enhance this experience, allowing you to angle the keyboard for optimal comfort. With its Wi-Fi and USB connectivity, the KINESIS USB Freestyle Pro offers flexibility in terms of setup. Whether you prefer a wired or wireless connection, this keyboard has you covered. Additionally, the included product support ensures that you have access to assistance and resources should you encounter any issues. Overall, the KINESIS USB Freestyle Pro is an exceptional ergonomic split mechanical keyboard. Its adjustable design, premium switches, and focus on comfort make it an excellent choice for those seeking a typing experience that prioritizes both productivity and well-being. With its advanced ergonomics and versatile features, this keyboard is a top pick for anyone looking to enhance their typing experience and reduce the risk of repetitive strain injuries.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.